Oh.
Lovely. So this is basically a path that goes right from Brocklands campsite right through to West Meon.
Continue for half a mile.
Beautiful, beautiful path, and yeah, it's nicely undercover for if you've got ferry ones, and as you know, we've got a very ferry one. So it's she hasn't got to walk on hot footpaths to get back to the campsite, which is great. Just been to the Thomas Lord pub and had a lovely meze lunch and a couple of ciders. And now we're walking back to the campsite. Absolutely beautiful. So in West Meon there's a couple of shops. There is a general store which has got practically everything. I've taken a couple of pictures so you can see how well stocked it is. And also there's a butcher's, which I'm guessing shuts at midday on a Saturday because it's not open now and it's only 4 o'clock. And a florist, I believe. I didn't go to the florist, but yeah, beautiful. Up here you just go through this little cut into like a picnic area and follow the footpath along from there. I'm guessing that's like a disused canal that hasn't been... Oh, it's a railway. Oh, it's a railway. Good point. I believe there's a... Oh, that must be the one that they've turned into a cycle path through to Wickham. Yes, but they haven't... Not this bit, hopefully. Yeah. What do you think, Lisa? Okay. Here, and today it's about 35 degrees, so it's pretty roasting for a British summer Saturday afternoon. I'm going to take a picture still of this. A bit of information.
So obviously missed the bottle opening. What's this? The rescuing of the sparkly bit at the top? Yeah. Oh, I can see the sparkles in it. What is it? Huh. It's like we're almost still in France, isn't it? Except we're not. We're about 12 miles from home. Cheers! So there you have it, Brocklands Farm campsites near West Meon in Hampshire. Near the Portsmouth Ferries, if you want to go there. There is an elsan, so bring your own facilities, but it does look like a bit of a toilet. So I did see a lady sat on it once, which was embarrassing for both of us. You can see all the pictures are in one line down the bottom of this valley. It's reasonably cheap as well, and you can get there on pitch up, but stuff like that. But just Google it, and see you next time. Bye.